Hello, dear wonderful friends. Welcome back here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Today, I would love to share with you simple supper. And this is made of chicken breast fillet. I have here 3 regular sizes of chicken breast fillet. Make sure that it's dry. So I use paper towel to pat and dry my chicken fillet. What are the very basic ingredients that we have? I have here garlic powder, seasoning salt, or you can use salt and pepper. They're best bet to go. I have here pure olive oil and some dry herbs. This is oregano leaves and they are dry. Whatever you have available in your pantry, could it be rosemary, thyme, or cilantro, or mint. You can combine that, or Italian seasoning, a little bit of this and that. So here in my little baking dish, I use parchment paper so that it's not very hard for me to clean after all. Okay, let's preheat our oven. So off, let's press bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So set that aside for now. Okay, there you go. So I am going to season or drizzle that with garlic powder. You can use garlic salt if you want. A little bit here, but not too much. And seasoning salt. If you don't have seasoning salt, you can use salt and pepper. And I have here my dry oregano. So I have to put this like that. There you go. So a little bit of garlic powder. There you go. A little bit of seasoning salt. So seasoning salt or salt and pepper, it's up to your own discretion. I'm going to drizzle some oregano dry herbs. Okay, after that, wonderful friends, drizzle some olive oil. Not too much. It's up to you how much you want. Okay, there you go. So into the oven for 25 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Close the oven. Set the timer to 25 minutes. Set it aside. There you go, wonderful friends. Thank you very much for watching Larnie's Kitchen and Food Creation. Stay tuned for more. And this will be paired with my veggies with butter.